URHOBO mẹ́wàá dó. No na me gonna talk mare. Edere we sansan le Ihwo names of different occupation in URHOBO language and names of gender. This award I want to talk about in this class. The first one, Idokito yere Obrorhie. It is called a doctor. Idokito yere Obrorhie, a doctor. Orhire a barber. Obre. You can call a native doctor Obo. Then English doctor, which is medical doctor, is called Idokito yere Obrorhie. A dancer Ogbeha. A police Olopa. A musician buine yere Obrorhie. Buine yere Obrorhie, a musician. A secretary Osie. A king Ovie. A queen Ovie. A judge Obre. A justice Obrorhie. A lawyer Ogue. A soldier gbofovwin. A priest Orhire. A priest Orhire. A student Oyone yere Isukuru. A woman Aye. A man Orhire. A cook, not a cook, a cook. A cook Ocheremu. A cook Ocheremu. An engineer Obo. An engineer borona. Engineer borona. A hairdresser Ometo. A hairdresser Ometo. A footballer fibo. A footballer fibo. Let's go to the next one. A giant Arhuaran. A giant Arhuaran. A prophet mraro. A scientist gbaerianrie. A father Osie. A mother Oni. A drummer buigede. A drummer buigede. A trader neki. A reporter Orhire. A town crier Ogbeha. A town crier Ogbeha. A nurse Orhire. A nurse Orhire. A president Osusunokuyegbe. A president Osusunokuyegbe. A journalist Ogweta. A journalist Ogweta. A chairman Ochidiagbara. A chairman is Okidiagbara. A farmer Ogwere. A farmer Ogwere. A pilot Ogbeha. A pilot Ogbeha. A pilot Ogbeha. A governor Orhoswe. A governor Orhoswe. An army gbofovwin. An army gbofovwin. An air force personnel gbofovwin. An air force personnel gbofovwin. A navy personnel gbofovwin. A navy personnel gbofovwin. A teacher Oyone. A teacher Oyone. A tailor Okemwa. A tailor Okemwa. A driver Ogwoko. A driver Ogwoko yere Ogwokoroto. If you want to say Ogwokoroto, that is driver, that person that drives a car or any kind brand of a car, that is Ogwe or rotor. An athlete or runner or jone, athlete or runner or jone. Hunter, hunter. Can somebody tell me? Hunter is called Obre. I don't understand that place, but I think I need somebody to explain to me better. So I'm going to end here, but maybe at the end of this class, I might write some assignments or maybe classwork that some of us will have to answer, so that we'll know that everybody was carried along in this class. So this way I'm going to end the class for today. We'll continue again in our next class, but please, as you all know me, I am your sister Oyone URHOBO, by name Christy Ogenenyeru. Happy Ihwo Umukuru Mewe Aye Ruwe Orhire. Webiko, please follow me if you want to learn URHOBO language. And please don't forget, always like, comment to encourage me, and share the post. Any of the URHOBO language lectures you see, help to share them, so that those people that are not opportune to follow me or not following me yet, they can see the lecture and learn from them. I am not doing these things for people to pay me, no. But if God still touches you that what this girl is doing is good, let us try and encourage her. You are very free to do so anytime. So please follow me, like, comment, and share any of my URHOBO language lectures. Anything you see me post, please encourage me by sharing them. Invite other people. Whenever I'm live, invite people to join me live, so that you can ask any question in regards to any of the classes or the lectures that I have given so far, so that I can give you the answers, so that we can interact. It will look as if it's an interactive class. Please don't forget to share. And I am in most of the social media, here on TikTok at Christy Ihwo or Christy Ihwo Shine. I have a Facebook verified page with the name Christiana Ogenenyeru Ihwo for say. I have another Facebook name with the name Christy Nyero Ihwo. I have another Facebook page specifically made for URHOBO language, which is URHOBO My Pride on Facebook. Then I am on Twitter with the name Lady Christy. I am on Instagram with the name Christy Nyero Ihwo for say. I am on YouTube account with the name Christy Nyero Ihwo for say. Anywhere you see me, please try and follow me. You will gain a lot from me, because the little I am giving out of the ones I know, I believe if you can learn them, you will even sometimes you'll be more perfect than me that's even giving the lectures. So please, let's encourage one another. Let's advise everyone. Encourage our children. Let them learn the URHOBO language. It will help, so that wherever you go, you will not be ashamed when others are speaking it and you cannot speak it. So that is the essence of this class, this online class, because I cannot see everybody live, and based on busy activities, I have not been able to bring these classes to live event. So please try to learn from the little I am giving. Thank you very much. Remember, I am a smiling Christy. Any video or picture you see from me without a smile, you know maybe something is wrong, or that day was not too friendly. Thank you guys for following. I love you so much, and God love you more.